Now it's time for our My Game On segment, bringing you the latest esports news in Malaysia. Market research firm Zoo has predicted that the esports industry in Southeast Asia will continue to grow rapidly in 2019. The region will see the fastest growth of esports audience that will expand to over 31.9 million viewers, bringing with it many investment opportunities. Wan Eizzul Islam has the details.
The esports and gaming market in the Asia-Pacific region is the biggest in the world, accounting for 49% of global revenues, with over $66 billion worth of investments in 2018. Zoo expects even higher numbers for the region in 2019, especially for Southeast Asia, the region with the most dedicated esports audiences in the world, despite not being as well developed as others.
There are 2.2 billion gamers around the world, and we are very excited about it because the highest growth also comes from Southeast Asia, especially in Malaysia. So we're extremely excited about this opportunity where there are a lot of youngsters in Malaysia and people who are passionate about esports. So that's why we are entering the Malaysian market.
It is expected that the inclusion of esports as a medal event in the 2019 SEA Games will be the main driving force behind further investments in the region.
We see 2019 for esports, and especially with the SEA Games, this is going to be big. So we don't want to miss this out and take this opportunity to kickstart immediately.
Companies such as Razer and GVM Esports have already begun their 2019 campaign by sponsoring tournaments and engaging support in the industry. Apart from sponsoring the Kuala Lumpur Major and the Bucharest Minor, GVM Esports will also look towards supporting local esports athletes through team sponsorships and tournaments.
We want to contribute to esports scene locally so that creating more tournaments and opportunities for the esports players and build up the ecosystems within the country first before we scale up to globally.
However, with all the hype of the new season for esports this year, many improvements need to be made to help secure a steady foundation for the industry. Payment management of local talents and finding a local governing body to help represent the welfare of local athletes have been among the top issues from last year.
I think for 2019, they should focus more on job security for us that is working freelancing. Yeah, non-payment and late payments are a very big issue in 2018. And as a player or someone that plays the game, I think the players' welfare should be at importance, because without players, there will be no esports.
The last quarter of the year, there's going to be SEA Games. So we are yet to know who are the representatives for Malaysia itself. So I think going through all the events, we are able to see who will be the best candidate to be representing Malaysia in the SEA Games.
Wan Eizzul Islam, 7 Edition.